Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys a step-by-step process of how I begin a hot towel shave from start to finish. As you can see, my client is in a comfortable position at the moment to receive this hot towel shave. So as I begin this process, I like to use a cream called Noxzema. I really feel like Noxzema is a great cream to exfoliate the skin, to cleanse the skin, and also to shave with. As I begin to apply the cream, I concentrate on the areas that I'm going to shave, but I also like to cleanse and exfoliate his skin as well. As I go to prepare the hot towel, I try to make sure that I set the timer so that way it's not too hot and it's not cool, but it's just right, the right temperature for him. Now this equipment you see right here is a massager that I can place on my hand and exfoliate the skin. Now this is a wonderful tool that I love to use on my clients, and they also really enjoy it with the time that they can relax and sometimes even fall asleep. It's actually an amazing experience, and the clients really love this process. As I go and I prepare the hot towel, I come back and I make sure that he is comfortable with the heat, because some people can take much and some people can't take as much. I leave that all up to the client's preference. Now that the hot towel is almost ready to come off, I go and I prepare a blade so I can start the process of the shaving. You know, when someone begins to shave, they kind of have their own preference of where they would like to start. Me personally, I like to start where the mustache is. You know, it's a freshly new hot towel. Your skin is still warm. Everything's still soft and tender. So I like to target that area first. I now start the right side of the sideburn and I work my way down. You want to stretch the skin so that way when you apply pressure, it doesn't skip. You don't want the blade in your hand to skip. You want it to be a nice, soft, smooth but firm stroke. And you see how I'm doing stroke, 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 so it's like a, you want to do that with firm pressure, and you want to stretch the skin. Always make sure you stretch the skin. Keep in mind, you should always be looking for scars, moles, scrapes, abrasions from shaving, scabs, nicks, things like that. Because you never want to try to reopen them, and you always want to try to stay away from that. Also, you always want to be gentle. You never want to be rough. When I say firm, it's just that. It's a nice, even stroke of your hand. Now I'm going against the grain. Again, always apply pressure and stretch the skin. Always remember, go nice and easy, nice and gentle. Don't try to rush. Take your time. Remember, this is his time to enjoy this shave. Remember to keep his face wet, lubricated with the towel. Remember, you never want to dry shave him. You always want to keep it nice and moist and wet, so you have less chances of irritation and discomfort. I begin now with a new blade to the chin area, and I go again, preferably the way that I like to do it is sideways. And I always begin to stretch the skin. Make sure everything is nice and stretched. Because this is a little area that is very, very sensitive. Extremely sensitive for most men. You just got to be really careful how you approach this area. Proceed, very cautious. And always remember, take even, passes with the blade. As this video comes to a close, I wanted to take the time and to thank everyone for watching this video, for liking, for subscribing, and make sure you tune in for the next one. Also, leave feedback, guys. It's very important. I think we're all here to help each other as well. And I'm always learning as well. So thank you guys for enjoying my video, and hope to see you guys soon. You guys take care.